Sana mag number 1 din kasi. Hindi, actually, this movie is for the family. For Christmas. It's really for family. So, this is what we can give you sa pelikulang ito.
Naiwan ba ito ni Mother?
Yes, isa to sa mga regal legacy from the time that Mother was still alive.
Miss Lucille, of course, naipalabas na yung kay Lovey. Sa tatlong naiwan ni Mother na yung isa, yung kay Johnny. Pero yung dalawa ba na yun, pareho yung pinasok or ito lang?
Ay, hindi.
Ay, ito lang talaga.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Parang ito na, parang ito lang ang rom-com, no? Parang ito lang ang rom-com sa
Actually,
captain.
it's a love story at the same time family.
Di ba last year parang wala kayo, di ba Miss Rosel? So ano reaction?
Hindi lang last year, I think 4 years. Siyempre,
Pang-
pandemic pa.
Regal film.
Pandemic pa, di ba?
Pero ano feeling mo na hindi yung horror ang pumasok ang dito?
No, I'm happy that this is the one that was picked kasi really, Christmas is really for the family. Kaya ito yung pelikula na to pang pamilya.
So, Miss Rosel, kung buhay pa si Mother, definitely nakikita mo ng sobrang saya niya mo.
Yeah, I'm really, baka nandito na yun, nauna pa sa akin. Knowing my mom.
Okay,
Thank you
Miss
guys.
Rosel.